In this video, we're gonna fix the loud type and clicks on iPhone. So first of all, go ahead to the settings, right? And then go to the sounds and haptics, okay? And basically go to the sounds and haptics and scroll a little bit down to the keyboard feedback and make sure that you turn off the sound and haptic for that step, and go back right here and go to the headphone safety. All right, and as you can see right here, reduce loud noise, make sure that you turn that on, okay? And basically that should fix your problem. All right, go back to the main settings, okay, and make sure that the keyboard feedback, as we said before, is turned off or on. And if you don't want any loud noise, you can just reduce the volume, or you could just shut down the keyboard sound or haptic. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.